Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial we are going to talk about the left-leaning Purl decreases, the SSP, slip slip Purl, and the Purl 2 together through the back loop. Both are a real pain to knit, and that's why I have an alternative where you don't have to knit through the back loop. So stay tuned if you don't want to miss it. First, we are going to start with the slip slip purl decrease. For this, you have to slip the first stitch knitwise, then slip the second stitch knitwise, and then you are going to insert your left needle purlwise into the first two stitches on the right needle and slip them back. So we just change the orientation of our loops. And now we have to work through the back loop. For this, I'm going to turn my work around so that you can see better. You're inserting your needle through both stitches, through the back loop, just like that. And then you're wrapping your yarn around your right needle. And then you're going to purl both stitches together and slip them off the needle. So, and this is how you create a slip slip purl decrease. This can be a real challenging technique, especially for beginners. So, and when we look at our right side of the fabric, you can see that this decrease creates a left leaning slant, which mirrors the SSK or the slip slip knit decrease. So the next decrease we are going to learn is the purl 2 together through the back loop. Like the slip slip purl, it creates a left leaning decrease, but it skips the reorientation steps. This makes it a little bit faster. So again, so that you can have a better look at it, I will turn my work around and then I'm going to insert my right needle through the back loop from both stitches like that. And then I'm wrapping my yarn around my right needle and purl both stitches together. In my personal opinion, I like the slip slip purl decrease a little bit more because the decreases are looking a little bit more neater than the purl 2 together through the back loop. When looking at the knit side of our fabric, you can see that the purl 2 together through the back loop decrease stitch looks a little bit more sloppier than the slip slip purl decrease. So this is why I personally prefer the slip slip purl decrease over the purl 2 together through the back loop. But knit your own swatches and try both of these decreases and decide which one you like more. So last but not least, I have this really easy alternative from the slip slip purl decrease, which doesn't require purling it through the back loop, which can be a real game changer, especially for beginners. So let me show you real quick how this decrease goes. So just like in the slip slip purl decrease, we are going to slip the first two stitches knitwise onto our right needle. So slip the first stitch knitwise and then slip the second stitch knitwise. So, and here is where the difference comes. You are inserting your needle knitwise through both stitches on the right needle and you are slipping them back onto your left needle. So now you have a little stitch mess here, but this is exactly how it should look like. Then you're inserting your needle purlwise through both stitches and you are just going to purl them off. That's so easy. This is a really easy decrease, and this can be such a game changer, especially for beginners. So the SSP and the Purl 2 together through the back loop are both advanced Purl decreases which are both leaning to the left side. Which one you want to use is up to your own preference and look. When the SSP and the Purl 2 together through the back loop is a little bit too tricky, you can use the easy slip Purl decrease where you have to reorientate your stitches in a way that you can purl it through the front loop. Practice all three of them and see which one you like the most. So, thank you so much for watching today's tutorial. Stay healthy until next time. Bye!